Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy tips, tricks, and hidden feature you have to know. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and the first one I'm going to show you about the widget stack. I'm going to show you how we can create a widget stack on our Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen. Okay, I'm going to tap and hold on any empty area on my home screen, and I'm going to go to the widgets menu, and I'm going to add Google search widget. I'm just going to select Google search bar. I'm going to add it to my home screen. Okay, wait, I'm going to move it right here. Okay, and if we want to create a widget stack, we just need to tap and hold on the widget, then click on create stack. Okay, and for the stack, I'm just going to choose the YouTube search bar. Okay, I'm going to add it. Okay, and now the widget stack has been created, and I'm going to show you how we can access the widget stack. We just need to slide to the right or to the left like this, and I'm going to add one more stack to my widget. I'm just going to click on edit stack, and I'm going to click on this plus button, and for the third stack I'm going to select the Chrome. Okay, I'm just going to select this Chrome shortcut. Okay, all right, and I'm going to go back and check it. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and the second one guys, I'm going to show you about the flashlight brightness. So we can customize the brightness of our flashlight. I'm going to turn on my flashlight. Wait, I'm going to activate it, and we can tap and hold on the flashlight icon. Then here we can customize the brightness of our flashlight. Okay, and I'm going to click on done and turn off the flashlight. All right, and the last one guys, I'm going to show you about the color palette. So this is very useful tricks to customize your display. I'm going to go to my setting and go to the wallpaper and style, and here we can activate the color palette. Okay, I'm going to click on this toggle button to activate it, and here we can choose wallpaper colors or basic colors, and here I'm using my wallpaper colors. Wait, I'm going to try it one by one. Okay, I think I will go with my wallpaper colors, and I'm just going to apply this one. Okay, and click on apply. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and now the color palette has been applied to my phone. Alright guys, then that's all of the Samsung Galaxy tips, tricks, and hidden feature you have to know. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.